I just want to say I'm sorry.
Hold up, I got a confession.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naya. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this eye look right here. Okay guys, the palette I'm going to be using today is the NYX Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. This is a 35 shade palette. And as you can see, this palette has a lot of bright, fun colors, which is why I picked it up, because I don't really have anything like this in like my makeup collection. Like all my stuff is kind of like basic and simple, so I decided to just kind of like step it up a notch and give you guys a more fun look for me. As you guys can see, like I have a lot of holographics going on, some blues, some pinks, and some purples. But yeah, enough of this rambling, let's just get started with this tutorial. Okay guys, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids. I'm just going to be using some concealer. And this just helps make the colors a little bit more pigmented so they can really pop. Okay, the first color I'm going to be using is this purplish indigo color. And I'm going to be placing this right here in my outer crease. Okay, the next color I'm going to be using is this purple color right here that's underneath it. And I'm going to be placing this right underneath the blue. And now I'm about to just take my smudging brush to just help blend this in. And now I'm going to be taking just a little bit of green. I'm trying to decide which green I actually want to go with. I think I'm going to go with this light green right here. This one. And I'm going to just take a little bit of this and just place it where I kind of put the blue right here. Just a little bit. Okay, and now I'm about to take this yellow color. These are really pigmented. If the camera will focus. I'm going to be placing this right here. And now I'm just about to blend that in together. Okay, so now I'm about to take this color right here, and this is going to go in my inner corner. I'm actually going to be using this color as a base for a liquid shadow that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be taking it and just kind of going into the crease, blending this in with this color right here. Blend it in with this yellow. Okay, and this is the NYX Holographic Halo Eye Tint. This is the liquid shadow that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to place this right where I placed that green color. Ooh, that is so pretty. Now, I've never used these before, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to get a brush to blend this out or if I should just use the wand. I think I'm gonna get a brush. Okay, so that is it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm about to just be moving on. I think I'm going to do a wing liner, most definitely. Okay, so now I'm going to take in my highlighter. I'm going to place a little bit on my tear ducts and brow bone. And I am, of course, going to be doing false lashes with this look. Okay, so one last thing for eyeshadow. I just got the idea to put a little bit of eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And I'm going to be going in with the very first color that I used, which was this blue color right here. And I'm going to be putting this just a little bit on my lower lash line. Hey guys, so I struggled to put these lashes on, but I did it, and this is the finished look. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is like totally out of like, not my comfort zone. Like, I've never really experimented with like colors and stuff like that. I'm usually kind of basic when it comes to eye looks, but I decided to just step it up a notch. So yeah, if you guys like this, please leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and see y'all next time.